Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send AI generated images to Slack using AI agent. So let's suppose I am in a HR department and I want to send motivational quotes to my employees on Slack channel regularly. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of time, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI, which is going to act as my AI agent, and Slack. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I am going to add a new detail or a motivational quote in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the image according to that will be automatically generated using OpenAI, and it will be automatically sent to my employees on Slack channel. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send AI generated images to Slack using Pabbly. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI, and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. First, let's name this workflow as Send AI generated images to Slack using AI agent, and now I need to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and here I am going to select it as AI agent and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send AI generated images to Slack using AI agent, which means whenever I am going to add a new detail to my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the image will be automatically generated using AI agent and posted to my Slack channel, which means whenever I am going to add a new detail, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So when I am going to add a new detail in my Google Sheet spreadsheet and then action says do this, then generate that image and post that to my Slack channel. Here in my trigger application, I am quickly going to take Google Sheets, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help task, I am going to build this connection, and to build this connection, let me open my Google Sheets. So this is the Google Sheets which I have created by the name Motivational Images, and I am going to quickly add a quote over here. And now that I have added this quote, believe you can and you are halfway there, I want to send it to my Pabbly Connect workflow so that it could be processed and the image could be generated and sent to my team on Slack. To do this, I have to go towards this extensions, go to add-ons, and then click on get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of me, where I need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing install because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure that you follow the same process and install this. After that you install this, it will start appearing over here, and from here you have to go towards this initial setup. Now this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter the webhook URL in the trigger column. So this is the same webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy and paste it over here, and then I need to enter the trigger column. So here it says the trigger column will be a final data entry column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here my final data entry column is column A, which means whenever I'm going to add the data in this particular column, the complete row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Trigger column simply means the final data entry column on which I am adding the data. Now after that I've entered the webhook URL and the trigger column. I'm simply going to click on send test and you will see the test data sent successfully. Now to make the setup I have to click on this submit, and here you will see setup configured successfully. Here I have successfully added the webhook URL, and now I have to follow a very important step. I have to go towards this extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and then click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let's open my Pabbly Connect workflow, and if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response. The spreadsheet name was motivational images and the code which we added was believe you can and you are halfway there. Here I have received the response, and as soon as I have received the response, we can say the connection setup that we have created between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, that is successful. And now whenever I am going to add new code, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on to the next step, I want to generate the image based on the same code with the help of AI agent. So then in my action application, I'm going to take my AI agent as OpenAI. And in my action event, as I have to generate the image, I'm going to select the event as generate image tele and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. Following the help desk given below, I'm going to enter this token and I'm going to click on the hyperlink. And it has taken me towards this API keys page. Now to create a new API token, I simply need to click on this create new secret key. First I have to provide the name. So let's say the name is test. The project will be default project and the permissions will be all, and then I simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to me, which I need to copy and paste that over here. Now here, as I have already an existing connection, I have created this connection multiple times. I am going to save this and go with this. OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the model. Now in this dropdown I have model 2 and model 3. I am going to select it as Delhi model 3 and then I need to enter the prompt. So here I am going to enter the prompt in a way that this is the detail and I want to generate the image on this. The prompt is like, so here I have entered create a visually uplifting image with a clean modern style that includes the motivation quote. The design should invoke feeling of encouragement, positivity and workspace inspiration suitable for sharing in professional Slack channel to boost employee morale. I'm going to enter this now, but I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. As soon as I click on this, I can see this Google Sheets, and when I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there, and here I have mapped this motivation code. Over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now here I have mapped this code and I'm going to select the size as 1024 into 1024, and I want to generate just one image, so I'm going to skip this field. I'm going to select the quality as HD. If you want, you can select as standard or anything according to your choice, and now I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. In this data URL, I have the image URL. So I'm going to copy this entirely, paste it in a new tab and check whether I have received an image or not. And here it is. Believe you can and you are halfway there. So this is a very wonderful image and I'm going to post it directly to my Slack channel. For that, I'm going to click on this add action step button, and then in my action application, I'm going to select it as Slack. And then in my action event, I'm going to select it as send channel message and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on add new connection and then click on connect with Slack. Here I need to enter the token type. So it is written that enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get it. I am going to enter the token type as user and simply click on save. Here I have already logged in my Slack, and that's why I just need to grant away some permissions, for which I am going to click on this allow, and you will see Slack is connected to Pabbly Connect and I have to enter these details. First, I'm going to select the channel ID, and the channel ID is daily reminders. So I'm going to select it, which is this one. I'm going to enter the message simply hello team, and then I'm going to enter the image URL which I've received from my OpenAI. These fields are not required ones, so I'm going to skip this. The auto expand links is true, link username is true, and the reply broadcast is false. I'm simply going to click on save and send test request, and you will see the message will be sent. I'm going to open my Slack, and here it is. In no time I have received the response. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. So here I have posted this image to my Slack channel from my Google Sheets automatically with the help of my AI agent and Pabbly Connect. Now to summarize, we took Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We entered the image type or the motivational quote and then generated that image and then posted that to my Slack channel. So here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.